So moving forward, we will start next topic, that is division of decimals. Division of decimal is also classified into three cases. Let's understand each case one by one. First one is division of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Here, with the help of example, I have shown that when a given decimal is divided by either 10, 100 and 1000, then decimal move towards left side. For example, 16.8 when divided by 10, then what we get? 16.8 divided by 10 will move this decimal one place to the left. What is the answer? 1.68. Similarly, 236.4 is divided by 100. We have written like this, and this will move the decimal point from here to the left. How many places? 2 places, because it is divided by 100. So what we get? 2.364 as result. Similarly, 3709.6 divided by 1000. It will move the decimal point from here to left. How many places? 3 places. What we get? 3.7096 as the result. So decimal shift right left when we perform the division by 10, 100 and 1000. Case second, dividing a decimal number by a whole number. Here, with the help of example, I have shown that when a number is divided by whole number, then how the division is performed. See here, 39.168 is written here and 12 is written here. Then first I perform the division of 39. 12 3 ja 36. 36 is written below 39. After performing subtraction, what we get? 3 as the then whatever be the decimal sign is present here, we have just put that one in the quotient. Then we have taken out the carry part. Then again we have performed the division. 12 2 ja 24. Then subtraction is performed. Then the next number is taken out as a carry. 76 comes. Then 12 6 ja 72. What we get? 4. Then 8 is taken out. 12 4 ja 48. So what is the answer when we are dividing a decimal by a whole number is 3.264. So it is just like the normal division of two numbers. Just what we have to do, we have to put the decimal when the decimal comes in the question part. Have you understood? Let us see with this example also. 0.567 is divided by 9. So here I have written 0.567. It is divided by 9. 9 cannot be divided by 0. So we have put the 0, and then the decimal is present. We have put a decimal over here. Then after decimal, whatever be the digit, we have just write it down. Okay, 5. Then 5 can be divided by 9? No. So we have put a 0 here. Then we have taken out next digit, 56. Now 56 can be divided by 9? Yes. 9 6 are 54. Then what is the answer? Option 2. Then 7 is taken out. 9 3 are 27. Then what is the answer? 0.063. Now you have clearly understood how the division is performed. Next case is dividing a decimal by a decimal. So this case is little bit typical, but it is easy. Here 0.018 is divided by 0.6. Here both the numerator as well as denominator are decimal number. First you have to make this denominator as whole number part. So what I have done, I have just multiplied both numerator and denominator by 10. So what I get? 0.18 divided by 6. Now I perform the normal division. 0.18 is written over here. Then divided, it can be 0 is written, then decimal point is put, then 1 is taken out. Still 1 cannot be divided by 6, then I have put at 0, then 8 is taken out, then 6 3 is 18, this will get 0.03 as the required answer. Now coming on to the exercise part, I have solved some of the questions from these exercise 3D. Kindly go through questions and try to understand how I solve the question. Question number 1. Question number 1 is 131.6 is divided by 10. I have already told that decimal will shift to one place to left. What we get? 13.16 as answer. Similarly here it is divided by 100. Then what will be the answer? 1.372, because decimal will shift left two places. Here 0.8 is divided by 1000. Decimal will shift left how many places? 3 places. 0.0008 as the answer. Next, 12 is divided by 8. You have to just perform the normal division. We will get 1.5 as the answer. Next, 0.3322 is divided by question number 5. 0.3322 is divided by 11. So what I have done? I have written 0.3322. Okay. Then what I have done, 0.3322 as the written, then I have performed the normal division. 0 is put it over here, then I have taken out 3, so 3 cannot be divided by 11. Then I have put it 0 over here, then I have again taken out 3. 11 3s are 33, it will cancel out. Then I have taken 2 as carry part, then it cannot be divided by 11. Then I have again taken 2, it will give 0.0302 as answer. Similarly 12.8 is divided by 500. So what I have got here, I have written 500 here and 12.8 here. 12 cannot be divided by 500, therefore I have written 0. Decimal is taken out. Then I have put it 8 over here. It can still not be further divided. Then I have increased 1 0 over here. Then 500 to the 1000. What is the answer? 280 is the remainder left. Then again I have taken out one more 0 added. Then 500 into 5, 2500. What is the remainder? 300 is the remainder. Again I have increased one more 0. Then I have multiplied, performed the division. 500 into 6. This will give no remainder. Therefore 0.0258 is the required result. Next, again see here, when a number, question number 7 is 3.28 is divided by 0.8. Both these numbers are decimal. First I have to make the denominator part as whole number. So multiplying both numerator and denominator by 10, we get 32.8 divided by 8. Performing the normal division, we will get 4.1 as answer. Next is some word problem. 1.8 meter of cloth is required for a shirt. How many meters of cloth is required? 1.8. How many such shirts can be made from a piece of 45 meter long cloth? So by performing normal unitary method, 1.8 meter cloth is required for one shirt. Then 45 meter of cloth is required for how many shirt? 1 upon 1.8 into 45. So converting this 1.8 denominator into whole number, multiplying both numerator and denominator by 10, we will get 450 divided by 18. Performing the division, how many shirt? 25 shirts are coming as an answer. Question number 17, last question of this exercise. The question says the product of two decimal number is 261.36. Okay, if one of them is 17.6, find the other. So let the other number I have assumed as x. Then according to question, x when multiplied by 17.6, it gives 261.36. So converting this denominator into whole number, multiplying both these numerator and denominator by 10, because here decimal is places after one decimal point. Therefore what we get, 2613.6 divided by 176. On division we will get 14.85 as answer. So student, this is the completion of chapter number 3rd, that is decimal. Remaining questions you have to solve in homework, and complete your homework as soon as possible and send it on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.